Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you two methods to duplicate your WhatsApp application on the SAMSUNG Galaxy A03. So if you have a WhatsApp but you need the second one for the work, for example, with the separated contacts, separated numbers, separated messages, of course, I'm gonna show you the first method now. Go to the Play Store and look for the WhatsApp app, but not for the normal WhatsApp. Look for the WhatsApp Business. Just install this app. And now, how you can see, I have two WhatsApp application on one phone. That was the first method. Now the second one, go to the Play Store like before and look for the dual app. Choose one of them, install it of course, and open. Now decide that you want to get notification and agree the terms. Allow permissions to the files and just tap on the WhatsApp. And whole process starting automatically, and now we are creating the second account app. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.